could so be in a perfume commercial. Hey guys, it's me Hannah and welcome back to Hannah's Hot Glam. So today we just have this like nice baby cupid simple Valentine's makeup look. I wanted to do a nice simple look without falsies because not everyone wears falsies, and I wanted to give everyone a chance to follow along to a nice makeup tutorial. If you do want a tutorial with falsies, like full glam, I will link it down below, and let's go on and get it. Hey guys, so I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I'm going to take the shade Shy on a Sonia Kashuk 109 brush and sculpt the crease with that. And I know that I'm doing a voiceover and that's really different, but I wanted to watch The Office, so I'm watching The Office while I'm doing my makeup right now. Next, I'm going to take the shade Flamingo with a ColourPop tapered blending brush and deepen the crease and add some color. And then I'm going to take that same shade Flamingo on a BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. And the camera falls, and that's cool. But I'm going to take the shade Bossy just with a ColourPop small tapered blending brush and deepen the crease even further, just to add some more dimension. Then I'm going to take the shade Angelic in that palette with my finger. This is a nice, pretty duochrome pink with a gold shift to it. Then I'm going to take the shade Bossy again, just with that BH Cosmetics Rose Quartz number 5 and blend more. Then I'm going to take the shade Moondust on a BH Cosmetics number 7 Rose Quartz and put that on the brow bone and the inner corner. Then I'm going to take the shade Flamingo again, just on that same Rose Quartz number 7 brush and buff that on the lower lash line. And with the same brush going into Bossy and just putting that on the outer V of my lower lash line. And hitting Moondust again on my inner corners. Then I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs mascara and put that on my top lashes. I love this for the top lashes. It just helps volumize and just makes your lashes look big and voluminous. Then I'm going to go in with the Benefit They're Real mascara on my bottom lashes. I prefer to use this one on my bottom lashes because the spoolie is just a lot better, or the brush is just a lot better for that, and it makes my bottom lashes look huge. Eyes are now completely done, and I'm going to try to look for and hopefully find my lip gloss I'm going to use for this look. I am going to use the Jouer X Jeffree Star Lip Topper in the shade Sweet Tooth. I love this so much. It's supposed to be a lip topper, but I use it as a gloss a lot. It's just pink with rainbow sparkles in it. Now I'm going to take my e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Dark, and I'm going to take this kind of mauvey pinky shade and help flush and warm up the face with it. And I go in with the blush. I like a nice blush. Then I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill Becca Champagne Face Palette. and I'm going to take the shade Champagne Pop for highlight, just with a ColourPop small fluff brush. And you can't actually get the face palette anymore, but you can get Champagne Pop just in a single. It's a really nice champagne pinky goldy shade for Valentine's Day and just for your everyday life. And it's super blinding. I love all of Becca's highlighters. They're so good. I also take the highlighter on my forehead and my chin just for a nice dewy look. And last, to set my face, I'm going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and just spray that all over the face. And this is a priming spray, but you can also use it to set your face. And we are done. So I hope you guys liked this nice simple Valentine's Day look. I hope you guys, liked that I did a tutorial without falsies because not everyone wears them. But yeah, also go check out my Instagram. I do a lot of really cool looks. I've said this a million times. Also, I just filmed a makeup collection video, so if you are into that, I will link it down below. Anyway, stay classy and have a great day. Bye guys. This lip gloss. Jeffrey and Jouet knew what they were doing. Oh, and this mascara too.